Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a quick little test of the SCT scanner for the 2.7 twin turbo EcoBoost Ford F150s. My truck is a 2018 Lariat baby bed. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. We're going to put the 91 octane tune on it, and we're going to run it in regular mode, and then we'll go ahead and we'll run it in sport mode. And we'll see if we notice any differences in both tunes. So what we're going to do one more time is we're going to run a test with regular prior to tuning it. We'll do two 060s, and then we'll go ahead and tune it, and we'll run two more 060s and just see if we have any major differences. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're going to do a quick two pulls, one regular, one sport 060. That's regular. And then we're going to do a quick in sport mode. Alright, so both of these were just done prior to having the tune. We do have 93 octane gas in this right now. So we're going to get it tuned up, and then we're going to run another two and go. All right, so I think that one was a little bit better. Let's go get it tuned up, and then we'll come back and we'll do two more pulls and show you guys what, if any, differences there is. All right, so we got our tunes in. We're gonna run two runs, one on regular, one on sport mode. Here we go. And there's 60. And we're gonna put her in sport, and then we'll give her another run. And now we're in sport. Alright guys, that's about it for the video. We got our two runs in prior to tuning it, and then we got our two runs in after tuning it. So go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you like the video at all, please make sure to subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot. And alright, thank you guys.